Hey everyone, we are on week 2 of our Roadlife Rundown. That's like a record or something.
Yay!
If you didn't catch last week's, we are trying to be more awesome at connecting with our viewers every week, and so we're going to do these short weekly updates on basically what we've been up to on the road. So how song and dance.
So with Almond's song and dance, after some much-needed R&R in Tennessee, we left Rocky behind and hopped in the new Tacoma to book it 12 hours down to Florida, where Mandy would be an instructor at the Florida Birding and Photo Fest.
One great thing about life on the road is that we often get to visit friends and family all over the country that we wouldn't normally get to see. I was grateful to get to visit my aunt and uncle and my cousins while we were in Florida. Plus, it was pretty cool that during our Easter dinner, a manatee showed up in their backyard. I guess I can check off selfie with the manatee from my bucket list. Yay!
We were also fortunate enough to have time to spend with our friend Deb Sandage. She's a great person, talented photographer, and an amazing ambassador for Nikon. Of course, we had to spend some time with Deb taking photographs after dinner.
Finally, it was time to get to St. Augustine and scout for our workshop, where I was going to be giving 2 lectures and lead both a sunset and a sunrise photo shoot. It can be pretty difficult to plan on-location photo shoots in an area you've never been to before. But in the end, we were treated to a beautiful sunset and everyone walked away pretty happy. I also gave 2 lectures, one on photographing different types of water, and the other on being a photographer living on the road. Everybody seemed really engaged and asked a lot of questions, so I'm calling that a win.
Now, we don't really stay in hotels unless it's included for work events. But I can tell you, when it happens, we cherish the alone time that we get to peck away at our computers and get some work done. One thing we tend to enjoy while working is having a little bit of background noise. In hotels with cable, we indulge in one of our guilty pleasures, a show with collections of stupid internet videos called Ridiculousness, which is on MTV and is usually played in all-day marathon sessions.
It's hard to tell, but we haven't had many days off since getting back into the US about 6 weeks ago. Luckily, the end of the Florida Birding and Photo Fest will bring us to some important days. A couple days off with my parents, sipping bourbon in Kentucky, and spending Mother's Day with both of our mamas.
Yay.
So, until next week, love and light. Wait, we do so until next week, clink, love and light? Or so until next week, clink, love and light?
Love and light.
Oh, clink, drink, love and light. Okay, ready?